Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Evergreen knot. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put my tie here at my belt line. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put my dimple in. I'm going to come over here and bring this over to the center. I'm going to come up and over like so. Then I'm going to fold it this way. Bring it underneath my tie like that. Then I'm going to come over here and then I'm going to fold it up like this. And then I'm going to bring it over like this, having that fold go like this, and then I'm going to come up like this. So we have these layers here. So then I'm going to go down. I'm going to go back down here. I'm going to fold it like that, and then I'm going to bring it over like this. I'm going to come over here like this. Then I'm going to fold it up. Then I'm going to fold it back over here like this, and come over here over the top like this. This is going to be a little advanced, guys, so I'm sure you probably figured that out by now. But there you have that. So the goal is to kind of make it look using a like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Simmons Essential Flare on it with the wreath. I'm going to go over here like this. Put it over here like that. Now, here we go. Here's the Evergreen. Looking like an evergreen wreath here. With this wreath here like this. So here we have that. So again, on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.